So, dear students, there has been slight change in your syllabus for 10th class science due to the COVID-19. So, in this module, we will discuss about what are those changes. So, first I will discuss with you what are the deleted portions from each of the chapters. So, if I can see the deleted topics from the chemistry portion. So, from the chemistry portion, there are two changes. Out of the total 5 chapters of chemistry portion, there has been reduction in the few topics from chapter 3 metal and non-metal. So out of metal and non-metal chapter, which topics are deleted? The metallurgy process. The metallurgy process means which how we can extract metal from their ore. Corrosion topic and how it can be prevented. Second topic, and this is the only change, and the second topic that has been or there has been change in that topic is carbon and its compound. So second topic is carbon and its compound. So from carbon and its compound topic, the number of topics that have been decreased is the how we can write the name of carbon compound, their chemical properties, different functional groups, saturated, unsaturated hydrocarbon. So the only topic that has been left in the fourth chapter, carbon and its compound, is why carbon forms such a large number of compounds, why versatile nature of carbon and its compound, graphite, diamonds, and allotropes of carbon. So these are the 3 or 4 topics, means only 10% of chapters have been put in carbon and its compound. कि सिर्फ 10% टॉपिक्स जो हैं जो कार्बन एंड कंपाउंड के वो आपको करने हैं. Rest of the topics have been deleted. Next is the bio portion, that is the unit world of living, control and coordination. So very few topics are left in control and coordination. The topics which have been deleted are tropic movement in plant, introduction of plant hormones, control and coordination in animal, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary. The chemical coordination means the endocrine and exocrine system. Next is heredity and evolution. So only one topic is removed from the heredity and evolution topic, which is the last part, the evolution topic. So heredity is there in your syllabus. The only part, the second half of the chapter, which is evolution, has been removed from your syllabus. Next is the light topic. Light topic consists of, in physics portion, light topic is consist of 2 portions. First is the phenomena of light, reflection and refraction, that has been retained in your syllabus. The only topic, the only portion that has been removed is from the second chapter of light, which is human eye. So which topics have been removed? First is how lens work in the human eye. Second, the defects in human eye, myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia, that has been removed. Next is what are the uses of spherical lenses. Rest of the topic is as such. And rest of the topic, the refraction, reflection, the numerical portion, the lens formula, the mirror formula, and how images are formed by the concave lens, convex lens, or the concave mirror, convex mirror. So these are still the parts of your syllabus. Next is the current, the effect of current. The electricity chapter that we are doing still is the part of syllabus. Everything we are doing with the electricity chapter is part of your syllabus. The current portion that has been deleted is the next chapter of electricity, which is the magnetic effect of current. From the magnetic effect of electric current, the topics that have been deleted is electric generator, direct current, alternating current means DC, AC, the domestic electric circuit means the last topics of chapter magnetic effects of electric current. Next is one more topic that has been removed from the physics is of the unit natural resources is the sources of energy. The sources of energy topic is also removed from your syllabus. So these are the list of few of the topics or the deleted topics. So you can mark those topics in your books. See which topics are deleted or which you have to study. Rest I can help you with the topics that is the part of your syllabus. Next is the if if it is there is any change in the syllabus of your science, there is also slight change in the blueprint. Basic pattern is same as that of last year, only change is the marking scheme. For example, the chemistry portion, in up to last year chemistry portion was of 5 chapters. Now after deduction of this few of the topics, the chemistry marks will be 26. Next is the bio portion, 23 marks. Next is the natural phenomena. Natural phenomena include 2 chapters, light and the human eye, the Tyndall effect, why the color of sky is blue, those topics of 12 marks. Next is the current, electricity and magnetic effect of electric current. Total it will be of 14 marks. Next is the natural resources. Only one topic is left from the natural resources, that is the our environment. It will be of 5 marks. Total it will be 80 marks. Next is the internal assessment, that will be of 20 marks, and total is 100 marks. One more topic that will not be the part of external exam, board exam, but still it is the part of internal assessment. So that topic is management of natural resources. कि आपको ये topic करना है, but it will not be the part of board exam or external exam. Next is what will be the blueprint of question paper. So approximately the blueprint will be same as was in this 9th class. So what are the types of questions that you will get in the board exam? Is the very short answer, the 1 mark question. Second is MCQs, objective type questions. Next is assertion reasoning, all of you are aware about these. Next is source based or case based. So for this you can download the previous year's sample paper, or if you can get the question paper of last year from your seniors, so you will be familiar with these source based and case based. Next is the internal choices. In every year you will get internal choices in number of questions. Generally there are 2 or 3 sections. In those sections you will get internal choices. Generally the board exam is of 1 mark. Section A is generally of 1 mark. Section B is of 3 marks. Section C is of 5 marks. But picture will be more clear about the question paper when you get the sample paper. That sample paper that CBSE release every year before the exam. So maximum picture about those, that blueprint of exam, that question paper format. But most probably 99.9% the format will remain same. That short questions, MCQs, assertion reasoning, source based, and those long answer questions. So I hope everything is clear to everyone about the revised science syllabus. What are the deleted topics? What is the blueprint? Chemistry marks, bio marks, physics marks. Next is what are the types of questions that will come in the board exam. So thank you students.